Okay, so this is a Kanza tree. We're here in mid-October. Shuck is split. Not many nuts are falling on their own, but they're real close to doing so. This is a younger tree. The tree is, excuse me a minute, a little bit more vigorous. Might have slightly larger nuts. So here you might be able to see just how thin that shell is. Okay, I'm gonna get out of view here for a minute to get this the rest of the way out of the shell. All right, so that's the Kanza. Its shape is very similar to an Elliott. We don't do well with Elliott in North Carolina due to late freezes. The taste is incredible. What's nice about this is if you get a large quantity and run it through a mechanical cracker and sheller, you get a high percentage of halves, and you can see that there's nothing really adhering in the middle of those nuts. I flip that other one over. So they come really, really clean, high percentage of halves, thin shells, nuts blows clear, very easy to clean up a large quantity. Kanza nut. Thank you for watching.